Clash of the financial titans, Bitcoin versus gold versus fiat. Today's covering the first of 11 criteria, verification. Bitcoin. Yes, through the blockchain technology, it's the Sherlock Holmes of currencies. Only if Holmes was a supercomputer and Watson was a complex math problem. And don't worry, this Sherlock doesn't smoke a pipe, but he's always on fire solving those crypto mysteries. Gold. Yes, through physical testing, imagine gold going to the gym, bench pressing barbells and flexing its shiny muscle. If it starts to sweat under the heat, it's not gold. If it just shining brighter, well, you've got yourself some 24 karat biceps there. But please, don't actually put your gold on a treadmill. It won't. Fiat. Yes, through various anti-counterfeiting measures, each bill is like a mini James Bond, armed with top secret anti-fake gadgets, holograms, watermarks, special threads, microprinting. It's like each bill is saying the name's dollar, US dollar. Just remember, unlike 007, they don't do well when shaken, stirred, or put in the washing machine.